Makuwerere, Makuwerere.
The mythical Kariba in mighty Zambezi, built along the Zambezi River. This water body is one of the largest man-made reservoirs in the world, measuring 280 kilometers in length and 40 kilometers across its widest border. Lake Kariba is home to around 40 species of fish, as well as crocodiles and hippos. The Lake Kariba and Zambezi River are home to a large variety of bird and animal life, a prized destination for the bird life enthusiast and wildlife cameraman.